Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a simple function, but it's really important in a linked list. It's the display function. Okay, now when you're displaying something, basically you want to loop through all the nodes in the list and spit out all of that data that's inside of them, inside of every node. So assume you have a head node, it has a value of 3. Let's assume has a data of 3. This has 41 inside of it, this has 700. Okay, the basic algorithm is like this. You're gonna make a temporary node, you're gonna equal it to head. Okay, and then um after t equals to head, you're gonna take t, you're gonna make it hop along all these nodes, and every time it hops along these nodes, it's going to print out t dot data. I mean, when we say t dot data, it means this block over here and this block over here, not this one. Okay, so in order to spit out the data, we're going to use t dot data, and in order to move to the next block, we're going to use t dot next. So let's code. It's quite simple. And yeah, basically, how would you know that? It's an important question. How would you know that we have reached, or t has reached the end of the linked list? You're going to look for this, if t is equal to null. If it is null, it means it has reached the end of the list. Otherwise, if the next value is not null, then it's not the end of the list. Alright, so let's just code this out. Step 1 was for it to create a temporary node called t and make it equal to head. And because we're making it equal to head, you also want to check if head is equal to null. Basically, you want to check if the linked list is empty. If it is, then just return. Basically, do nothing. Okay. Then we have, after that, you want to have a while loop. And that while loop is going to see if t dot next is not equal to null. When it is equal to null, then you want to break out of the loop. If it's not equal to null, you want to do one thing, which is t is equal to t dot next. Basically making t hop all along. And forgot to put the brackets. I'm a Python programmer. We don't use these type of curly brackets. So now t is equal to t dot next. Fine. Then what we want to do is we want to do cout t dot data, like that, and just put an endl. So actually I forgot, this should be there. Okay, because firstly we want to spit out the data, and then we want to increment t, then we want to spit out the data again, then we want to increment t. That's just simple how it is. So if I were to just go ahead, I need the insert function. Yeah, okay, I'll show it to you later in the upcoming videos how this works, after I implement the insert function as well.